Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
Everyone, so in this video I'm going to start from sum number 13. For the previous sum, please check the description box, the link will be there. And this is the third part from this exercise. So here in sum number 13, the width of a rectangular garden is 3 by 5 of its length x meters. If its perimeter is y meters, write an equation connecting x and y. Find the floor area of the room if its perimeter is 32 meter. Okay, that means here the length of the rectangular room. So here the length equal to x meter. Then definitely breadth equal to 3 by 5 into x, that means 3x by 5 meter. Okay, so here the formula of perimeter, that equal to 2 into length plus breadth, 2 into x plus 3x plus 5 meter. Okay, and as here 2 into length plus breadth, that means 2 into x plus 3x by 5, so that is y according to the problem, because here perimeter equal to y. So 2 into here 5x plus 3x, that means 8x. So 8x by 5. Okay, so from that you can write down 5y equal to 16x. Okay, 5y equal to 16x. Now find the floor area of the room if its perimeter is 32 meter. If its perimeter is 32 meter, that means here the value of y equal to 32. So from that you can easily find out the value of x. So 16 cancel out with 32, that means here x equal to 10. So if x equal to 10 meter, then definitely breadth equal to here 3 into 10 by 5, so that equal to 6 meter. Okay, x equal to 10 meter, breadth equal to 6 meter, so area equal to 10 into 6, that means 60 meter square or square meter. Now move on to the next problem, sum number 14. In sum number 14, a rectangular garden 10 meter by 16 meter is surrounded by a concrete walk of uniform width. Okay, so suppose this is the rectangular garden. Okay, it's A, B, C, D, and here this one is 16, this one is 10, which is surrounded by a concrete walk that is x meter wide. Okay, that is x meter wide. So in both sides, given that the area of the walk is 120 square meter, assuming the width of the walk is x meter, form an equation of x and solve the value of x. So suppose this one is PQRS. So as here AB equal to x, then definitely PQ equal to 16 plus x and plus x. Okay, as same as here AD equal to here 10, so it will be here 10 plus x, that means PS. So here area of ABCD, that equal to 16 into 10, that means 160 meter square, and area of here which one, PQRS, that equal to 16 plus 2x into here 10 plus 2x meter square. Okay, then the area of the work, or according to the problem you can write down the area of the work, that means the area of the outer rectangle minus the inner rectangle, and that equal to 120, it's given. Okay, 120 is the area of the work, it's given in the question. So here if you multiply this one 160, then here it will be here 10 into 2 20x, then 32x, and then 4x square minus 160 minus 120, that equal to 0. So 160 cancel out, here 4x square, 52x minus 120, that equal to 0. So here x square plus 13x minus 30, that equal to 0. So this is the equation. Okay, you have to form to find out the x. That means this is the first answer. Now next one, we have to solve this equation. So to solve this equation, you can apply middle term factorization method. So it will be x square plus 15x minus 2x minus 30, and from that you can find out the factors, that is x plus 15 and x minus 2, that equal to 0. So either x equal to minus 15, which is not possible because x is the breadth of the work. So next one, x equal to 2. So that is your final answer. X equal to 2 is your final answer. Now next, sum number 15. A rectangular room is 6 meter long, 4 meter wide and 3.5 meter high. Find the inner surface area of the four walls. Okay, so as here length equal to 6 meter, breadth equal to 4.8 meter, and here height equal to 3.5 meter. Now we have to find out the area of four walls. So first you have to know the formula of to find out the area of the four walls, and here the formula is 2 into length plus breadth into height. Okay, remember that, 2 into length plus breadth into height. So let's put down the value here. 6 plus 4.8 into 3.5, it's meter square. Okay, meter square. Okay, so that equal to 2 into 10.8 into 3.5, and that equal to 75.6 meter square as your final answer. Now next one, sum number 16. A rectangular plot of land measure 41 meters in length, 22.5 meters in width. A boundary wall 2 meters high is built all around the plot. Okay, at a distance of 1.5 meter from the plot. Find the inner surface area of the boundary wall. So as here the rectangular plot land measure 41. Okay, so 41 is the length, and here breadth equal to 22.5. A boundary wall 2 meter high is built all around the plot. So that is the boundary wall, it's 2 meter high, and here the plot, around the plot at a distance of 1.5 meter from the plot. Okay, that means here the distance equal to 1.5. Here the distance equal to 1.5. So as here the breadth of the plot equal to 22.5 meter, the height of the boundary wall equal to 2 meter, but remember that the boundary wall is built at a distance of 1.5 meters. So the new length equal to 41 plus 1 plus 1.5, 1.5, that means 3. So that equal to here 44 meter, and definitely the new breadth equal to 22.5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5, that means 3. So that equal to 25.5 meter. Okay, that is the new length and new breadth. Now you know the height of the wall, that is 2 meter. So again you have to apply the formula of four walls. You know the formula, 2 into length plus breadth into height. So here 2 into 44 plus 25.5 into 2. Okay, so that means 2 into 2 into 69.5 meter square, and your final answer will be 278 meter square. Now sum number 17. In sum number 17, here the first one, find the area and the perimeter of the figure given below in which all corners are right angle. So here first you have to join this portion. So if you join this one, then you will get two rectangles. This one is the first rectangle and this one is the second rectangle. So in the first rectangle here, the breadth equal to 2 meter. You know that, and here the length equal to 4 meter plus 1.5. Okay, 4 meter plus 1.5, that equal to 5.5, because here this one is 4 and this one is 1.5. So 4 plus 1.5, that equal to 5.5. So you can easily find out the area of that portion, and as well as here the next rectangle, This is the second rectangle. In the second rectangle, here length equal to 4, breadth equal to 1.5. So sum number 1, here area equal to total area 2 into 5.5 plus here 4 into 1.5. Okay, 2 into 5.5 as 4 into 1.5, and that equal to 17 meter square. So 17 meter square is the area. So now you have to find out the perimeter. So here the first one is 5.5. After that it's 2. So 2. Then here again 4. So 4. After that again here 4. So 4. Next one here 1.5. 1.5. And the lower one will be 6. So that equal to 6. So now if you add this one, so 5.5 plus 1.5, that equal to 7. And here 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 3 is 13. So 13 plus 10, that equal to 23. So 23 meter is the perimeter. Okay, now let's move on to the next sum number B. Find the perimeter and area of the given figure below in which all corners are right angle. So again you have to join this one. So now you have total 3 rectangle. First one, second one, and third one. So in the first one, whenever you want to find out the area, so in the first one, the area of the first rectangle, that equal to 7 into 3. 7 into 3 is the perimeter, sorry, area. Next one, here 8 and 8, this one, and here the breadth. Here the breadth equal to 7 minus 5, so that equal to 2. So 8 into 2. And for the last one, that means the third one, in third one, 7 into 2. So 7 into 3, then here 8 into 2, and then 7 into 2. So that equal to here 51 meter square. Now you have to find out the perimeter. Okay, so for the perimeter here, first one will be 7, then 3, then 5, then 8, then 5, then 2, then 7. And the lower one, as here this one 3, then again 8. So 8, 3, 11, and then 2. So 13. So plus 13. Okay. So now if you add this one, so 7 plus 3 it's 10, 10 plus 5 15, then 15 plus 8 it's 23. Okay, 23 plus 5 28, 30, 37, and then after that 37 plus 13, and that equal to 50. So 50 meter is the perimeter. Now number C. For number C, you have to join this one, this one, this one. So now you have total 4 rectangle. This one is the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So they are total fourth rectangle. So here the first one. In the first one here, the length equal to 12. So 12 into and breadth equal to 2, because if this one is 7 and this one is 5, so definitely that portion equal to 2. That means breadth of this rectangle equal to 2. Okay, good. Now next one, second rectangle. In the second rectangle it's 5 into 2. Then in the third rectangle it will be 3 into 2. And next the fourth rectangle, so it will be here addition, and then again 5 into 2. Okay, so that means 12 into 2, 12 into 2 is 24, then 5 into 2 10, again 10, so 24 plus 10 plus 10, and last one is 6, so that equal to 50. So 50 centimeter square, sorry, yes, 50 centimeter square is your answer. Now you have to find out the perimeter. Okay, so for the perimeter here there is 12, after that 7, then 2, then 5. Okay, now next one, as here this one will be here 3. Okay, so this portion equal to 3. So 3, then again 3, then 2, then 3, then again 3, then 5, then 2, and then the last one is 7. Okay, so here the last one is 7. So now if you add this one, 12 plus 7 19, 19 21, 26, 29, 32, 34, 37, 40, 45, 47, and then 754. So here your answer is 54 centimeter. Okay, 54 centimeter is the perimeter. Now the next one, sum number 18. The length and the breadth of a rectangle are 12 and 9 centimeter respectively. So length equal to 12, breadth equal to 9. Find the height of a triangle whose base is 9 centimeter and whose area is 1/3 of the rectangle. Okay, so that means first you have to find out the area of the rectangle, and that is 12 into 9, so 108 centimeter square. Now area of the triangle, okay, that is 1/3 of the rectangle, so 108 into 1 by 3, and that equal to 36 centimeter square. Okay, so suppose here the height of the triangle, that is h. Okay, height of the triangle, that is h, and you know that the area of the triangle is half into base into height, that equal to 36. So here h equal to 36 into 2 into 1 by b, that means 1 by base, and here base equal to 9, so here h equal to 8. Okay, so here h equal to 8 centimeter is your answer. Now next one, sum number 19. In sum number 19, the area of a square plot, that is 484 meter square. So if area equal to 484 meter square, then definitely side of the square equal to root over 484, and that equal to 22 meter. Okay, that equal to 22 meter. Now find the length of each one side, so that is 22 meter, and the length of its diagonal. So here the formula to find out the diagonal, here the formula to find out the diagonal of a square, that is side root 2. So here diagonal will be diagonal equal to 22 root 2 meter. Okay, 22 root 2 meter. Now if you want to put down the value of root 2 here, then 22 into 1.414, and it's become 31.11 meter. Okay, it becomes 31.11 meter as your answer. Now sum number 20. This is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. Here in sum number 20, a square has the perimeter 56 meter. Okay, perimeter of a square is 56. That means side equal to definitely 56 by 4. Okay, and that equal to here 14 meter. Find the area and the length of the diagonal correct up to 2 decimal places. So here the area will be, it's very easy, 14 square. Okay, here the area will be 14 into 14, that equal to 196 meter square, and diagonal equal to 14 root 2. You know the value, so 14 into 1.414. Okay, so 14 into 1.414, that equal to here 19.80 approximately up to 2 decimal. Okay, 19.80 is your final answer.